Share Lafayette. Here's a quick blessing from JUJUPOWER, Orisha Voodoo Inspired Living for the world. I want to say, Adupwe, Fun Agbami for my elders, particularly Chief Adinibi, Ajimu, Ibaba Tarun, and Baba Shangadini Ifatunji. They taught me that our ancestors came to this land and we took our African culture and sensibilities and applied it to this new place many generations ago, several generations ago, 3 generations and or more ago. And to use our knowledge of voodoo, Ifa, etc., so forth, to thrive in this environment in a way that creates independence and empowerment. So for instance, they told me to go to Igbo, the forest, and find the plants that could help us to bring voodoo power, both in healing, eating, and then voodoo and Ifa work. Check that out right there. That's food, cocoyam. Grows wild in our environment here in Southeast Louisiana. In order to carry on the tradition of our ancestors of thriving in this place. So what I'm saying in effect is that our people learn to use the voodoo of the lands that they found themselves in very effectively and create new understandings of Orisha Ashe based out of necessity and opportunity. For instance, here this wild plant grows all over the place here. And from our point of view, I'm not telling you what people in other parts of the world do. They may try to say that it's not authentic and official. But our ancestors learned to thrive through war, oppression, and slavery in this place. And now, as you know, we are prolific in this place. So I'm going with what our ancestors passed on to us. This is a sacred plant to Shango. We use this plant for Ifa. I don't care if nobody else in the world uses it, whether they do or they don't. We use this plant effectively for Ifa. So JUJUPOWER is a concept that teaches empowerment and not dependence. I want to share this with you clearly, just give you a little taste of the thrival and survival that we are about. This temporary season of so-called corona times. Keep your chin up and your head high. We are not victims. We the children of the gods. We are creators. If you dig what I'm saying, check our school, JUJUPOWER, Orisha Voodoo Inspired Living. If you don't dig it, I wish you buku blessings. And may you find a path that is good for you. But if you dig it, you know where to find us. We never hiding. We're easy to find. And we greet you with love and liberation.